Thank you for your interest in Digestive Disease Week. This brief video will show you how to submit an abstract for consideration for the 2021 meeting taking place virtually from May 21st through the 23rd. The deadline to submit an abstract is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. This is the Thursday after the U.S. Thanksgiving holiday. Co-author financial disclosures are due by 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, December 17th, 2020. Visit ddw.org/abstracts to view the full rules of submission prior to submitting your abstract. When you are ready to submit your abstract, visit the submission site at ddw2021.abstractcentral.com. If you are a first-time user, click the Create an Account link. If you are a returning user, log in with your user ID and password. For password assistance, click the Forgot Password link. Upon logging into the site, you may be prompted by a pop-up message to complete your financial disclosure. Click OK to proceed to the disclosure form. Once you have accessed the disclosure form, answer all required questions marked by a red asterisk. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen to submit your disclosure. As a reminder, all authors listed on an abstract must complete their disclosure by 3 p.m. Eastern on Thursday, December 17th. When you are ready to begin your abstract submission, click the Submission tab in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click Create New Submission. We'll now walk through the 5 steps of submitting an abstract to DDW. You'll first need to select a society submission type. Use the radio dial button to select the appropriate type and then click the Continue button in the bottom right corner of the screen. To complete Step 2 of the submission process, enter the abstract title and body. Please note that all abstract titles must be capitalized, though you can use superscript, subscript, and special characters. You may also upload up to 2 images per abstract. When you've completed this step, click the Save and Continue button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. In Step 3, you will answer a few questions about your abstract, like the science type and submission category. Answer all questions on the page marked by a red asterisk, and then click Save and Continue. You'll now be able to add co-authors to your abstract. Please note that all authors must be listed individually. Consortia or group names are not permitted. To add an additional author, click the Add Author button. Now, perform a quick search to see if your co-author already has an account at the site. You can search by name or email address. If your search results in an author you want to add, simply click the Add link to the left of his or her name. If your search did not result in the correct author name, you can create a new account for this person by clicking the Create an Author button. To create the new account, enter the author's name and email address, and then click the Submit Created Author button. After you've added all of your co-authors, ensure that their institutions are listed correctly. You now have the option to change who is listed as the presenting author by using the radio dial button in the presenter column. Additionally, please ensure that the author order is correct and renumber as needed using either the drag or drop-down options in the top left. If you need to remove an author, click the Remove button to the right of the person's name. When your author string is complete, click the Save and Continue button at the bottom of the screen. The final step in submitting your abstract is to review your abstract and submit payment. Any incomplete fields will be marked by a red Incomplete button. Click on that Incomplete button or an Edit button to return to any portion of your abstract. After you have proofed your abstract and have made any final edits, click the Complete Payment button at the bottom of the page to submit your abstract. You may now enter your credit or debit card information. When complete, click the yellow Pay Now button at the bottom of the screen to submit your abstract. Upon successful submission of an abstract, you will receive a green confirmation at the top of the screen along with an email confirmation. Your co-authors will also receive email messages alerting them to the submission. These messages will contain direct links to their disclosure forms. You may edit a draft anytime until the submission deadline. To edit a draft, simply click the Submission tab and then use the drop-down button next to the title to select Edit Draft. To edit an abstract that has already been submitted, click the Submissions tab and then use the drop-down next to the abstract title to select Edit Return to Draft. The abstract will then be placed back into draft status so that you may complete your edits. Once you have made all necessary edits, be sure to resubmit the abstract, as any abstract still in draft status at the 9 p.m. Eastern deadline on December 3rd will not be reviewed or considered for the meeting. There's no fee to resubmit an abstract. For technical assistance with the submission site, please contact the ScholarOne support team. For all other questions, please contact DDW administration at program@ddw.org. Thank you for your interest in submitting an abstract to DDW 2021.